stand tall, hands calloused and bare. The men of the forest and rail, hands of steel and hearts that prevail. Lumberjacks bound by sweat and song, built on the tracks where we all belong. By the fire, stories unfold, tales of the timber and legends of old. Saw on the frame and spikes in the wood, pushing the limit